You will need some tools to properly install your wet wall panels. You will need a tool to cut the panels with. A fine-tooth hacksaw, jigsaw or circular saw will work. You will also need a Stanley knife, pencil, silicone gun, measuring tape, spirit level, safety glasses and safety gloves. PPE should always be worn when cutting panels. First off, clean the entire area to make sure it's degreased and dust-free. Cut the internal corner with your preferred cutting tool. Fix the interior corner to the wall with adhesive or 12mm screws at the edge of the trim. Measure and cut the panel for height. Cut off the tongue or groove edge to fit the internal trim. When cutting around bath or shower fittings, leave a 2mm gap. Dry fit the panel to the wall to ensure cuts were done correctly. Check that the panels are level before applying adhesive. When cutting around showers or bath trays, leave a 4mm gap. You can use a shim to achieve this. Apply 2 tubes of adhesive per panel and apply to the wall. Apply pressure across the panel to smooth out any air pockets. Add the next panel via tongue and groove. Continue this process for the rest of the panels. Add an end cap if necessary. It can be applied with adhesive like the internal corner. Fill in any gaps with sealant. Congratulations! You have installed your wet wall panels.